Hello guys, this is Forum and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials, and I'm here with this beautiful creative look from the beautiful Kylie Jenner Take Me to the Vacation palette. I am so in love with this palette. It has such amazing shades to work with and I am so excited to use this palette, and I'm going to create my first look using this palette, and it's gonna look like this. And I have tried to be a little bit more creative than what I was doing previously, and to know how did I achieve this look, please keep on watching. So I have tried creating this intricacy with some beautiful handfang liner and everything. I hope that you like this entire look, and without further ado, let's get started. So let's bling this. So I've primed my eyes and I've done my eyebrows, and now I'm going to just pop on some Mercier powder under my eyes just to bake and to avoid any of the fallouts which we are going to get out of the eyeshadow palette. So let's dip into this beautiful Kylie Jenner Take Me to Vacation palette right here. And the first color which we are going to use is going to be our transition shade. So we will be mixing these two colors right here for our transition shade and work on to the entire crease area. Now to create more depth, we are going to go with a darker brown color right here and again apply it on the crease area. Using a very light hand, we are going to create this. We are trying to use as many colors as possible out of the palette. The next shade which we are going to dip in is this beautiful mauve color right here, and taking it on the same brush and applying it on the crease again. This time we are going to go a little deeper to the inner corner. Now by taking this flat little fluffy brush, we are going to dip in this pink color right here and place it a little bit above the crease and apply it till the inner corner of the eye. So we are done with the crease, and now we'll go to the eyelid, and we are going to use many glitters out of this beautiful palette. Amazing color which looks like this. So I'll be taking this flat synthetic brush right here and I'll be wetting it with a setting spray, and I'll be dipping it in the color and apply it on the center of my eyelid and take it to the inner corner and to the outer corner. And I'm just trying to create a little bit outer V over here. Now once we are done with this color, I am going to go here like so, and I'll be taking this outwards as well. So I am now going to take this Essence pencil in the shade of Feel the Marty Time, and this is a little bit of a bluish color in the waterline, and with the help of the tiniest synthetic brush I have right here, I am going to dip in this amazing blue color which stands out of the entire palette, and I so want to use it, and that's the reason I'm going to use it on the lower lash line here. So I'm taking some setting spray in the back of my hand and I'll be dipping my brush right there, and then I'll take the color and I'll be leaving the center portion without the blue color, and I'll be going directly to the outer corner and applying it right there. So the color which we used on the crease, we are going to take the same colors right on the brush for the center of the eye again. And now I'll be taking a Black Fever from Essence, the pencil which I always use. I'm to tight line, we just applying it right on the upper lash line very closely. So yeah, there you go. So that it just looks a little bit black, which gives more intense look to the eye makeup without the feeling of eyeliner. And just a little bit of wing would be good enough. And the same black pencil would go under the blue one which I've created and on the outer corner as well. And for the finishing touches, we are taking the MAC Hot and Naughty mascara and applying on the lashes. Applying mascara always helps to remove all the residues of the eyeshadows which you've used on your eyes. So you don't have to be very precise while doing this, because you're going to anyways apply a lash. But if you're not applying a lash, a very thick coat of mascara would also. The lash which I'm going to use is going to be Sophia from Huda Beauty, and it's my favorite. Placing the lash from the upper side like so and right on the bed. I would say that this is the right amount of thick, right amount of long, right amount of dense, and that's all you want from an eyelash. And the twist is right here. I'm going to use this white pearly color from Hen Feng, and it's a liquid liner, and I'm going to apply it right where I have applied the bronze color under my eyes, only in that portion, and on my lower lash line, or on my lower hair as well, like so, and on the hair as well. So I'm just going to sharpen this by placing this Hen Feng liner on the inner corner of my eye and right on this part of my eye as well. Once we are done with this, I will just quickly highlight my highlighting points, and I'm going to use this beautiful golden shade right here. This is the lightest shade in the glitters, and I'm going to use this on the inner, not the inner corner of my eyes today, but on the brow bone only, and I will quickly apply it. Now let's dust this entire powder of my eye. So let's get back farther and let's do the face. So I will now quickly just chisel down my face. I have done a cream contouring, but I want some more dry contouring as well. So I'll be using the colors from the palette here and here to just chisel down my face. As usual, I will be using the colors from the palette itself, because I hope that you know that I do that many times. And let's do some blush from this palette only, because I see this beautiful pink color right here and I'm so excited to use this as my blush. It works. For the highlighting, I'm a little scared of using this Fenty Beauty stick, highlighting stick, but we're going to do that because I just so feel that this shade's gonna go amazing with this entire look. So let's pop on this highlighter. I'll be starting with the high points of my cheekbones and I'll come down right till here. Another tone is needed, and I'll just blend this with the help of my finger. I guess it works perfect. So some glow here as well, and some here, and some here, and some here, and here. My hair is never ending. So let's pop on some setting spray, and then we'll go to the lipstick. I guess I should line my lips before doing this, so that I don't make a blunder. So I'll be using this Lakme Absolute Forever Silk Lip Liner, and the shade which Espresso. Oh god, I think I lost my footage, or I did not record the lipstick part. Anyways, so I've used Dolce from Kylie Jenner, and on top of this I wanna apply glitz, which is going to match the shade which is right placed on the lid of our eyes, or my eyes in a better way. And I'm just going to start with the center, and let's see how it turns out. If it's good, I'll just apply it all over my lip. So this is a little bit of metallic color, and I love such shades. A little is never enough for me, so I am bizarre in doing this when I say little. Anyways, I love this. So this is it, guys. I hope that you like this look, and if you felt that this was amazing and creative enough to impress you guys, do not forget to comment in the comment section below, and I'll be coming with a new video every Mondays and Thursdays. I'm trying to work on and getting more videos for all you guys out there, and I hope that you are loving what I'm doing. So if you like my video, do not forget to hit the like button, and I would like to have your suggestions as well, what next you want to see, or I should continue doing makeup, or you want me to do some DIY, or you want me to do something else. Just do let me know and I would try to do that. So that's it guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one.